So Skylar, do you think we're gonna get this one? You like it?
So when it comes to accessories, I think we went a little bit crazy. There are a lot of choices, lots of colors, lots of varieties.
In you go, Skylar! Good? So we're officially back here in Vancouver after doing a full travel series in Alberta, which is so fun according to Skylar.
Did you enjoy your trip? It was your first airplane ride too. I think it was a great trip with lots of milestones from Skylar.
So if you guys missed the last few videos, we've done a full travel series in Alberta. So going from Vancouver to Calgary and then Calgary to Edmonton. Then Edmonton going back here in Vancouver. If you guys missed it, we're gonna leave some links down below so you guys could easily check that out. But for this video, it's actually pretty special to us because it's Skylar's 6-month video. Half a year, Skylar! What?
And it comes with that is a lot of milestones, especially Skylar growing her 2 front teeth.
Okay, you wanna show everyone your 2 new front teeth? See, let's see, Skylar! Yeah!
She can now eat some solid foods. So for this video, we're planning to do some meal prepping and feeding Skylar her first solid foods.
I'm not sure if she realizes that it's food. Are you excited? Yeah?
Now that Skylar is already 6 months, her 2 front teeth are already developing. And if you guys aren't familiar, the lower teeth of the babies are the first one that shows up. And as you can see, she loves to take a bite of anything she can grab on.
And if you've been with us for a while and watching our videos in this channel, you probably know that one of our favorite things to do in this channel is eat some great food and go to the best restaurants whenever we do travel. And we're super excited for this milestone with Skylar because she's finally started to get to that stage where she can enjoy those flavors with us.
So in preparation of Skylar's first solid food intake, we did a lot of research because we wanted to do it safely. So we attended online classes, did a lot of research, joined some Facebook groups, and read a lot of books.
So before this video, we had to do 2 things first. 1 is grab a high chair for Skylar, and 2, go to a grocery store to buy some ingredients. So we've come to IKEA with a very critical mission today. Finding this little baby, her very first high chair. And IKEA being one of our favorite stores, it just makes sense to come here. 1, the design is always good, and 2, it's very affordable. So Skylar, you think we're gonna find a high chair for you today? Yeah? I found the high chairs.
You found it?
There's one down here.
Yeah, there's one down there.
Skylar, you think you like this? I like the price.
Skylar, I think we found you a chair.
Yeah? Very good pricing. Skylar doesn't care about the price. Yay!
How do you like that? Do you like it?
Good?
You like it?
So Skylar, do you think we're gonna get this one? You like it? Yeah? I like that there's a separate item that you can buy for like a support for her back and to make things cozy within the high chair. You're cozy in there, huh? She loves it.
But I think her feet is not cozy enough.
Oh no! We need the stepping stool for Skylar.
Her tiny feet is just hanging. So other feeding accessories like this one, like bibs, I already bought it online, so I can't wait for the package to arrive at home.
You wanna also get Mr. Moose, Skylar? Yes, Mr. Moose comes with us. Just a quick intermission. We just had to document this one. I think Skylar is in a stage where... Describe it.
Attempting to run.
She's thinking that she can run, but she's only moving her feet rapidly.
Yum yum.
Wow, look at you! It's just funny that her arms are completely off the ground and the only one touching the ground is her torso. And she just keeps on kicking, almost to a point that she looks like she's swimming.
Hi guys, so we just stopped by a local grocery because as part of Skylar's first food intake, we're here to buy some food and some ingredients. So we're mainly going to create 3 meals for Skylar. So we're going to start with something soft like a puree. I'm thinking of strawberries and banana as a puree. And the second one will be a little bit chunkier for her. And the third one will be something solid.
And to keep it more interesting, we're gonna let Skylar pick her own ingredients for her food.
Are you ready to go shopping? Let's go to the produce section! So first on our list is strawberry and banana, and then we're going to blend them so it's very soft like a puree for Skylar. Skylar got her bananas! That's bananas!
So for the next meal, we're looking for something a little bit more solid than a puree. We're gonna have the puree the first day, second is avocado, and third day is... What's the third day? What's the third day?
Scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs. And we'll get that later. Yay! Eggs are a little delicate for a baby, so I'm gonna pick her a tray. Here you go, Skylar.
Inspection.
All good for them?
Ma'am, I think we're missing Lisa.
Oh no, Skylar.
Cinderella. Oh, it's there. I don't want this. I think our little shopper is asleep now.
Must be exhausting. To shop for the first time.
So when it comes to accessories, I think we went a little bit crazy. There are a lot of choices, lots of colors, lots of varieties. There are a lot of cute stuff that we just wanted to buy for Skylar. But we came up with this, which we bought from Amazon. So we have a snack bowl. What's nice about this one is it comes with a suction because I know Skylar just wanted to throw everything in the ground. We have a cup here which has different kinds of cover. It can be a sippy cup, a snack cup, and a straw cup. I think this is great for traveling as well. 3 different kind of spoon for puree, for pasta I think, and for rice. I don't know, we'll find out. We have a nice silicone lid, and last but not the least, the plate, which is also suction. So this one already comes to the set, which is really easy for us as first-time parents. And of course, we chose the pink one for Skylar. And don't worry, we'll leave a link down below if you guys wanted to check it out.
Also forgot to mention that we also have a NutriBullet baby, which is I think a smaller version of the NutriBullet, so we can easily puree and blend all of the fruits and vegetables for Skylar. Always crying in the background. We're shooting here.
He wants to join!
He wants to be included.
What are you guys doing?
The banana. One more try. Put it there. Put it inside. Oh, you missed it! Again. Just one hand for now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, Skylar, I'm just gonna do it for you. Okay? What is so easy, Skylar? In you go, Skylar! Yay! Wow! You have no idea what you are going to do. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Wow! So nice, Skylar. So as first-time parents, you can clearly see our excitement for this stage. And we feel like Skylar shares the same feeling, but also doesn't really have a clue on what's coming. We also may have had a little too much fun. Madam, did you order your first meal? Today's menu is strawberry and banana. Not yet, not yet. I was not trained for this. And then today's menu is going to be a selection of our fine strawberries and banana, all blended together in a nice, pure way. Bon appetit! Skylar is clearly confused that Dad is being weird again. We wanted to follow this baby-led weaning, which is essentially just serving the baby the food and letting her figure it out on her own. She doesn't know how to eat.
Skylar, here's the food.
Okay, maybe we did help out a little bit in the beginning. Good? Good!
Good.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Poor little Skylar was a bit overwhelmed, but she was able to calm down with Mom and Dad. Okay, so day 2. We realized the banana made the puree a little too thick, so we just stick with the strawberry this time around. Yummy! Day 3 of our solid food journey, we are attempting to skip the puree and give her the full strawberry. So the thing with the puree, I think it's okay, but I'm not sure if she realizes that it's food because it's so watery, I feel like. So this time around, we're giving her the full thing to munch on. Yay! She's already eating it. Day 3 is where we started to see a little bit of progress as she was able to munch on the strawberry with a little bit of coaching.
So we are now on day 4 of our solid food journey. So we started giving Skylar strawberry and banana puree at the beginning and giving her a solid strawberry, which I think she liked. And now we are going to give her a solid banana. And another thing that's different today is Skylar's high chair. So we bought a silicone placemat for the high chair, a stepping stool, and some stickers for the legs. Because when we asked you guys on Instagram, these were the most recommended items that you suggested.
Legs inside, please.
Do you feel that? You can step on it.
Very nice.
Baby. Careful, madam.
Very good. So it is day 5 of our solid food journey with Skylar. So today we're actually going to introduce Skylar to a new food item. So before, the past few days we've just been experimenting around the strawberry and banana, but today we are gonna give her an avocado. Bon appetit! So that was our fun little documentary about Skylar's first food intake, which is so fun to film. Did you enjoy, Skylar? Huh?
I think she discovered some of her favorite food and some maybe not so much.
And also we learned throughout the process too. So the original plan was to give Skylar 1 food a day, which we kind of prepared 3. You know, things change and then you have to adjust. And Skylar had to take a few days for 1 food, but that's okay. Skylar has a lifetime to eat. Right, Skylar?
Oh, you're going to have a lot of food to enjoy. That was also advisable so that we can monitor if she has any allergies from the food. And so far, so good.
Yeah. For now, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next travel video. Bye!